Yeah, hi sir.
Hi, Ajay.
You are audible.
Yeah, okay, thanks. So basically, can give me 1 minute, okay? Sorry for that.
Sorry?
Can I take 1 minute?
No, no problem. Take your own
Okay,
time.
okay, okay. Thanks. So hello, Ajay. So yes, so I'm
Sir,
looking
your
from
voice is
this
lagging, sir.
current
Hello?
sheet. Sorry. Okay. Now more clearly. Sorry for network issue. Now is
Yeah,
okay, Ajay?
now it's okay.
Okay. So let me explain, let me introduce myself first, okay? So, my name is Kalka Prasad, and I belong from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. And currently, I'm working at big MNC as a Dell Boomi developer. I have total 2.5 year experience in Dell Boomi, okay? So, I worked multiple projects in Dell Boomi. So that all about myself of the professional wise, okay? So, Ajay, can I know about you?
Yes, sir. I have completed my BTech in 2019.
Mm-hmm.
Presently, I'm working as UTL developer
Okay.
for for a tool Ab initio.
Mm-hmm.
Currently, I don't have any job. I am looking for change.
Okay.
Yes, this is my.
Okay, good.
It is,
Thank you.
that's why it is suitable to the ETL, right? That's why I have chosen this course.
Okay, good. By the way, this is a good decision.
Yeah,
Ajay,
yeah.
in marketing, lot of developers require, but very
And
few
the
developer.
thing is that is not in cloud technology, it is in ETL and cloud also. That is the
Okay.
nowadays the marketing is only moving to the cloud technologies.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
It's a
Good.
integration or ETL tool, sir. They were the Delbumi.
Sorry. Can I come again? Tell,
Delbumi is the
please.
ETL tool or it is the integration tool.
This is part of ETL basically. This is integration tool basically. Okay. Whatever you want to, integrate to other systems, so you can integrate with this Dell Boomi basically. Okay. This is part of ETL. Okay.
Mhm.
Clear?
Okay, okay, sure.
So, see, I will tell you one thing here. There are a lot of integration tool available in the market. You heard about the MuleSoft application, MuleSoft.
Yeah,
Do you know?
I have searched everything. MuleSoft, TIBCO.
Typical, a lot of the tools are available in the market, but most of the case, all developers choose a Dell Boom because this is very easy to use and very flexible to integrate the system. That's why it is most useful. Okay. So today I will explain you few basic of the Dell Boomi. Okay, what is the Dell Boomi? Why we should use? Why we should not use the other applications? Okay, advantage and disadvantage. Today I will explain very basic level. Okay, if you have any question, you can
Okay,
ask me. Okay, in that point. Okay.
okay, sir.
So let me share my screen. So I will explain few things. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's sharing my screen. Where is that option? Yeah. Okay. Entire screen. Okay. I hope my screen visible.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Is my notepad visible or only Chrome visible?
It's a 𝐵𝐺𝐵 atmosphere. The slide is one.
Let me reshare again. Basically, I need to reshare the notepad also. Just a second. Once desktop. Okay. I hope now is my screen visible. Ajay?
Yeah. Previous also it's visible. Now also.
Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for letting me know. Oh, okay. Thank you. So basically, first of all, let me present. Yeah. When you heard about Dell Boomi, Ajay?
Yeah, but before 3 months before.
Okay. What you know till now about the Dell Boomi?
Yeah, I have searched some videos in YouTube.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, that is only.
So see, just let me open Notepad. First, let me explain. See, what is Dell Boomi? Okay. First question. What is Dell Boomi? Okay. I will explain you. What is the Dell Boomi? Okay. So Dell Boomi, you can mention Dell Boomi is cloud integration tool. Okay, which is used for integrate the multiple systems. Okay, I will tell you. Second point you can mention, it can no, leave it, multiple system. Okay. So see, Ajay, what I wanted to tell you here. So this Dell Boomi na, you can integrate multiple systems. Let me give one example. Let's say you have Amazon server, okay, and I have normal my server. You have a lot of the data in Amazon server. You are my client, and I am your I am also, we both are a client together. Okay, so you have sales data. I have some some other data. I requested you, Ajay, I need some sales data from your system, but your AWS have a lot of billions data. Okay, this is not possible. You will give me some data in pen drive or some some other way, and then I can take in my system. This is not a good way basically. So what I will do, I will choose a Dell Boomi here. What Dell Boomi will do? Dell Boomi will fetch all data from the source and put into the my server, my application. So this is the part of Dell Boomi. Okay, this is the basis. One more thing here you can understand. Why Dell Boomi? Why Boomi? That's two different. Dell Boomi versus Boomi. This is main concept. People will confuse here. See, Dell Boomi. Previously, what happened? Dell Boomi developed by Dell company. Okay, Dell company. But now it taken by Boomi. So now we are called Boomi, not Dell Boomi. Now we call it Boomi. Okay, the Boomi application. So this is the few point. You have any doubt here, Ajay?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Clear. And next point, what I would give some important point here. Okay, so this is the basic. Okay, so what you can. Okay, so basically here two system: source and target. Source and target. You know what? If I have two, you have source, I am target. You are target source, I am a target. But here should be one tool or one application, one software which help us to combine together. So here come the Dell Boomi. See, this is a source. Dell Boomi. We can say Boomi. Okay. So Boomi, what will do Boomi? Boomi gets data from source and sent to target. So this is the, we can understand this is the basic concept of Dell Boomi. Okay. This is a basic concept. You can say basic understanding of Boomi. Okay. So these action will do by Boomi applications. So this is a basically middleware. Okay. This is the middleware. In the sense, it will work as a middleware. This is to help to us to combine multiple source and multiple target. Here you can see, you can take the multiple source here. See, if I said no, multiple source, multiple data, yeah, you can take data. You can take data from multiple source. I will give you some example in the Boomi console panel. Okay, platform. Okay, this is the, you can take data from multiple source and send it to the multiple target system. Okay, clear till here, Ajay? Any question here?
Clear, sir.
Okay, so let me come into my PPT. Sorry, present, right? Yeah, good. So you can see here, integration. What is Boomi? Integration platform as service, IPaaS. IPaaS in the sense integration platform as service. It helps to integrate the multiple platform. That's why we said integration platform as service and multi-tenant platform. What does mean multi-tenant? In the sense, it has a multiple platform, multiple cloud system basically. Okay, that support cloud to cloud, SaaS to SaaS, cloud on premises B2B integration. Again, I will repeat here, that support cloud to cloud. In the cloud to cloud, in the AWS, multiple cloud. Yeah.
Hello?
Hello, Ajay. Hi, sorry, extremely sorry. My network suddenly closed. Yeah,
Yeah,
extremely
okay.
sorry.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, let me step aside. I don't know what happened today. Let me share. Please let me know, Ajay, if my screen visible to you. Now
Yes, sir.
visible? Yeah,
Yes,
fine.
we.
Thank you so much. So let me come in that second yeah. So it save time basically. I told you now it is a middleware. It is very easy to implement of the this integration. I will tell you some example. Okay. So first we need to complete the theory. Then I will tell you the some like practical thing. Okay. So you can see just again how okay reduce error compared to the what manually mapping integration can do. See what I written here, reduce error compared to what manually mapping integration can do. What happened? Boomi provide a mapping. This is what data we need to get from the source, what type of the data need to send in target. Let's give me one example here. Let's say data we are using the SQL database. Okay, what SQL return the database file. Boomi have five type of data type. First is JSON, XML, CSV, IDOC format. These five type of the data type profile data type available in the Boomi. Okay, so let's say SQL database returning the data in the format of the DB format file. Okay, DB format. Okay, so we have target system. Let's say target is some normal server. Okay, they are using the API for the get data from the external system. So what here I need to do? Here I need to do convert database file to the JSON. Then in the without this mapping, I can't send data into the target. Again, I will repeat here with the help of the the notepad example. You can I told you na. Let's say SQL returning the data in DB format. DB format. It is a format of data. Okay, Boomi consider it. Okay. I will explain you later about this. So what I have what mapping will do here? Mapping convert the data to the different data type, different data format. Okay. So what will happen here? What will happen? Let's say data which is coming from the source, that is the in DB format. Okay, DB format. What I need to send in target system? JSON. So what will happen here? Here mapping will convert the DB file into the JSON profile. So here our target system will accept the JSON data. Okay, so this is the map part of the mapping. Clear here, Ajay, basically, I know today maybe some confusion for you because this is a new technology for you, I think, right? So you will get some confusion, but no issue. You can ask me any question. Okay.
I can say
Mm.
what you said that you are mapping that DB format to JSON
JSON,
format.
yes, using the mapping component. I will tell you in the practical session, Ajay. I will explain everything, okay, with every example. I know this is
Right.
theory, maybe some confusion for you. Okay, don't worry. I will explain everything. Okay, with some examples. Okay, just you need to keep some patience, Ajay. Okay, keep patience. I will explain everything. Don't worry about this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So let me again come into this PPT. So you can see key capability of Boomi atmosphere. What atmosphere? Atmosphere is the platform. This is we have platform.boomi.com. The whatever the functionality are there in Boomi platform, that is atmosphere basically. Everything we do in the atmosphere, that is called atmosphere. So you can see here, first heading is the Boomi integration, a tool to connect application data devices across a hybrid multi-cloud. You can understand here, Boomi integration is a tool which help us to integrate the any type of the application, any type of server, any type of the cloud system. Okay. And second, master data hub. A master data management that is called MDM platform, synchronizing and augmenting trusted data throughout the entire project. So basically what happened now? So MDM, Boomi provide MDM platform. Okay, what happens here? It synchronize the all data and send it to the all enterprise applications. B2B DI, this is the main thing of B2B. B2B in the sense business to business EDI management, a tool to help businesses modernize their B2B EDI network, seamlessly integrating with their vendor, supplier, distributor, partner, and marketplace. I will tell you here what is B2B. B2B or EDI. B2B EDI, this is most important part of the, Boomi basically, Ajay. Every supplier, SAP, about SAP database, Ajay, you heard ever about the SAP database?
No, sir.
SAP, BSI, okay, no, sir. B2B and EDI. So basically, EDI having some functionality of business. I will tell you something.
You are going to cover in B2B EDI later, sir?
Yes, I will cover B2B EDI part also, Ajay. But you need to keep the patience, okay? Okay. A tool to help. Okay, see, B2B. I will explain very basic about the B2B here. Okay, so what it will do? It has some, it has some functionality, about the businesses businesses data profile. Today I think you can't understand this complex topic basically. Okay, see, a tool to help business modernize their B2B network, seamlessly integrating with their vendor supply. See, it has a vendor, supplier, distributor, partner network profile. So basically, when you come into this CDI partner in Boomi, so what do you can learn here? See, pre-built, it has some pre-built profiles of the profiles. Like you can say like purchase EDI iDoc, purchase iDoc. Okay, this is the iDoc. EDI you always use the iDoc profile, iDoc. Okay, it all it always use the iDoc profile. Okay, I don't want to go in there. Basically, if I explain today everything, you will get confused. You will say, "Sir, I'm not able to understand what is B2B, what is EDI. It completely over from my mind." Okay, so I will not explain very extremely all of this thing, but today I will say very few point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay, so you can see here. Let me come again. API management. Here you can create your API. And you can publish your API in Boomi, and that API you can use anywhere, any application, any system. Again, I will repeat this point. API provide the API management system. There you can create your own API and you can publish that API and you can use anywhere that API. Let's say you have created new API as a ABC company private company private limited. Okay, so you have your company and you have created a API and you want to publish this API to anyone can get some product data of your company. So if you publish this as a abc.com/product data, if you publish this API, what will happen? If I will use your API, I can able to get all your purchase product data in my application. This is the very good point of the Boomi. They provide a API management system and flow. It is flow. You know what? It's very easy to drag and drop interface. I can how can I explain you? Let me log in. My Boomi. Do you have Boomi platform, Ajay? Account? Do you have Boomi account?
No, sir, I don't have.
Okay. Let me log it. See. So okay. In Boomi, you can drag and drop interface and data across system. So you can understand what my point. Just need to drag and drop something like that. You can integrate your flow basically. This is very easy to use, you know. If, if 10th or 12th class the child can do this basically, drag and drop. Okay. Okay. So this is very easy to implement. Okay. Data catalog and preference. A service operationalize data governance, generate the insight from data, simply data sharing the last second, let me, yeah, reuse. See, let's second. Data catalog previous service operationalize data governance, generate the insight from data and simplify data sharing and reuse. We can reuse that data what we are sharing to the target system. Here Dell Boomi integration process. That three process Ajay. Don't worry, no need to worry anything. This is very easy thing. Of the any technology. This, believe me, this is very easy to implementation. Okay, we can see here there are three options: build phase, deploy phase, manage phase. Build phase, here we create our process in the flow in the sense our problem solution. What do we have problem? We need to send from source A data to source B. So this is a phase of the build. Clear till here, Ajay? I need to repeat it again very slowly. I think I'm going so fast. Let me know, okay? Any you have a
Clear,
doubt?
clear,
Any
sir.
clear?
Yes, yes. If I have any doubt, I will stop you.
Yeah, yes, definitely. So in deploy phase, what will happen in deploy phase, Ajay? First, we created our flow. Now, what I need to do? I need to publish my flow. In the sense, you need to deploy that flow into server in some cloud server. So what you need to do? Here come the deploy phase in the picture. Here you need to deploy your flow for the publish of flow into the public mode. Okay, so here coming the deploy phase. After deploy, what you need to do? You need to check your build process working properly or not in Boomi platform. So that is come the manage phase in the picture. Again, I will repeat: build. Here you create your flow. In deploy phase, you will deploy your flow what you have developed. In manage phase, you need to check what you have deployed in the cloud system, Boomi cloud platform. Clear till here, Ajay? Or do you have any doubt here?
Clear, clear, sir.
Good. Again, here I mentioned build phase is a high to integration logic to communicate between source and destination applications. See, again, I will repeat here. Specify the integration logic to communicate between source and destination application. Integration process is specified by Boomi visual component. So see, what will happen here? Here, just you need to drag and drop, integrate your logic. Okay, how you going to create your logic? Here I will explain in the practical phase. Okay, so just here try to understand the basic theory of the Boomi. Again, you can understand deploy. I already told you deploy the integration process defined build phase to run the runtime engine called atom. Here coming the atom nothing but is a cloud server basically in Boomi, which hold the all deployed process in their system basically. Here it is ran it known. If you deploy your process in atom, you don't need to run every time. You can schedule your process that will run every day, any time, any you can schedule according to your requirement. That is the advantages of the atom. Okay, atom allow you to run integration process on promise atom cloud. See, again, I will repeat here. Atom allow you to run the integration process on premise or Atom cloud. Okay. So what Atom providers, we can run our process in the Atom cloud basically. Okay. So third of is a managed phase. In managed phase, monitor the health and status. I already told you, no? Manage phase, first create the process, deploy in the server in the system, and what happening at our process working fine or not, what is status of our process, we can check in manage phase. See here mentioned, monitor the health and status of deployed atom, monitor the integration process logs, like if you want to see your process successfully completed or not, what data came from the source, what data sent to target system, any error, what was the any you can download the logs, how your system, how your flow was worked. So this picture come into the managed phase. Okay, so here you mentioned how to implement integration process build phase. So I will explain to only this one. So okay, So in build phase, we can integrate data between source and destination using the process. I already told you, na. Here we just get data from source and send it to the destination. Okay. And second, process. A process is the central component of integration. You can say process. Process is the parent of the integration. Without process, you can't do anything. In the sense, if I try to tell you in the notepad, you can see process. Process is everything. Process is everything. Whatever you are creating the logic in the flow, that is the called the process. I will explain everything in the practical session. Ajay. Don't worry. Just just today listen, okay? The, see, oh my God, again I came here, yeah. See, uh, which this one correct? Yeah. Okay, a process. Okay, every process begin with the one input connector and end with the one output. I told you, na. Every process start with one start every process start with one input source. You can, okay, and you can mention here in every process start with one input and multiple destination destination system. I hope clear till here, Ajay. Any doubt, any question, please let me know.
Clear.
Clear or all clear?
No, clear. I got it. Again,
Yeah.
getting.
Yeah. Thank you. Good. Yes. Okay. A process component detail. See, Ajay, in this section, process component detail, execution shape, logic shape. It manipulates the data through the process. I will explain in the practical session basically. Execution shape, what is logic shape? In logic shape, you can add the multiple logic like decision shape, business rule. Lot of the shape are there in Boomi. Okay. Input connector, what is output connector, mapping function. So let me stop here. Basically, if I explain everything, Ajay, so you will get confused and you will say, no, I'm not getting everything. Okay, so I think till here today is so enough. You have any question, any doubt, any other question? What will be the training? How I going to cover everything? You can ask that questions today. We can start some practical session from tomorrow. Okay, I will explain whatever I today explained. I will explain tomorrow everything in practical session with some POC, some process. Okay, till here?
Okay.
Till here, you have any question? Please let me know, Ajay. Don't hesitate.
Yeah. Yes. Sir, how your training is going on? How it is, you are saying that simply this is the source, this is the target, or like that one you are completing in project oriented.
No, Ajay. See, I explained to sir. Okay, so basically, first I will cover first. See, what is my strategy of the teaching? First, I cover the basics to basic of the theory. Then I go the practical part. In practical part, I will give every example in whatever possible. I will explain everything about the Boomi with some of projects. See, let's say we take one example. Today, I teach you. See, Ajay, this is the process, how we can integrate this process, how we can get data from the source and send to the target. So I will explain you everything, how to create the source, how to create source data, how to send the data into target, what is the logic, what is connect. I will explain everything. Ajay, don't worry, this is my responsibility. Okay, I will explain everything. Okay, don't worry about this. This is my promise to you. Okay. I know
Okay.
today is a basic theory session. I know for every it happens to with everyone. Yeah, when I took my first Boomi class, I also getting confused of what is Dell Boomi, everything. Okay, it happens
So
with everyone.
is it possible to crack the interview once you complete the training?
See,
by my
Ajay.
own.
See, Ajay, basically, see, I'm not promising, but see, I will promise one thing. I will explain, I will give everything about the Boomi. I will tell everything, whatever I know till now. So I'm sure if you give your effort, your, 100% in this session, definitely you will get, you can crack any interview. If you give your time, effort, discipline, definitely you will crack any interview. That is my promise. But I'm not saying you will, you will, you know, crack the interview if this after this session. They depend on you basically. If you capture all point, definitely you can crack. No any doubt. Definitely you will crack.
What is the current market, sir, for Delbumi? Is there any openings or nowadays?
Yeah, basically, see, Ajay, lot of the company opening, yeah. If I give example, Accenture, Infosys, TCS, lot of the company are also product-based company recruiting the Boomi developer. But problem is that very less Boomi developer are in this market. That is the issue. You can search on Google. Okay, lot of the Boomi job are there, but developer is very less. I think, as my understanding, since 2014, after 14, the Boomi craze getting so high, yeah, basically. After my college pass out, I heard about the Boomi, but I was not much interested in Boomi. But after when I, place in a company, so there I got chance to work in Boomi and take some sessions, some training of the Boomi. Then I know all about the not all about that, but I know whatever I implemented till here. I know about that Boomi. Boomi is so vast thing. A lot of things is there. Basically, a lot of connectors, lot of the logic. That's a good thing, yeah. Basically, Can I know, Ajay, like you pass out in which branch, mechanical or CSE?
EC, Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Okay. So a lot of my colleagues are who completed their BTech in electronics. They're working good in Boom basically, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So I will suggest to you, Ajay, please go in Boomi. The great career. Literally make my notes. The great career Boomi. Coming future, the Boomi. See, one more. I would say one more point here. AI can't replace Dell Boomi. Make that my word here. See, AI. It can't integrate automatically everything. See, Boomi is Boomi. You can't do anything. AI can't destroy this. Okay. So this is the safest career basically.
Okay. Sir,
Okay.
is there any programming language required for the Boomi to develop?
See, Ajay, if you want to customize some code by yourself, then you need to learn Groove script. If you know Java, then you will be good in the Groove script. If you're not good in Groove script, you should learn the JavaScript. See, Boomi component is support two languages. First is Java. Second is extremely sorry, Groove script and JavaScript. Two languages. It's supported by it. Okay. Let me give one example. If you able to understand my point. See, you received some data from the source. Okay, you need some modification. You can do by the Boomi component, but you want to some extra modification. Then here come the custom scripting. In custom scripting, you can modify of that data according to you using the Groovy script or JavaScript. Clear? I will explain you about the everything about how to use the Groovy script, how to use JavaScript. Until I will tell you few examples in the practical sessions. Okay, still
Okay.
lot of the theory part pending. So we'll cover tomorrow session. Ajay,
Okay,
okay.
sir. Yeah.
Any other doubt? Please let me know. If any other doubt, care related
Yeah, enough,
questions,
sir, for
anything.
my side. I have asked everything I have in my mind.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah. Tell me if you have
Clear, sir.
clear.
I
Yeah.
have enough.
So do you know how to create the account in platform Boomi? Do you know?
No, sir, I don't know.
So first, do you have any company email ID? I will talk to SSIT. No, so we'll discuss with him if possible. So if they provide any company domain, so you can also create a account in Boomi. Then you can start to learn in Boomi. About
Oh.
you can start practice session and some Boomi courses all there you can start to learn.
Okay, sir.
So I will discuss with sir, and if he I think I think but normally my email ID will not be accepted by Boomi. They need some company domain name, company domain email ID.
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow I will explain how to create account, how to create Boomi platform account, how to create learning platform of Boomi. So I will tomorrow I will explain everything, Ajay. Okay. Don't miss tomorrow class.
Okay.
I will suggest.
Okay.
Today is clear, Ajay. Like any doubt you having, any point you missing, like you not clear any point of that what I explained. Let me know, please.
No, sir, clear. Till now, I have cleared it.
Okay, so please join tomorrow class. I will explain you how to create account Boomi, and I will give some example of the process, how to create a process. Okay, we'll go step by step. See, I can explain everything today, Ajay, but problem is that your mind will not able to capture everything, right? So we need
Yes,
to
sir.
go step by step, right? So that is the process of the learning. I also I also teach some other students. So always I follow the step by step rule. That's it. If you want to learn everything, then you need to go one by one. Then you can able to capture the all point of that context. Okay.
Okay.
So today is okay. Ajay, can we close this call today session?
Yeah, sure, sir. Okay.
Satish, can we close this call? Hello. Okay, I think we're not audible, so no issue. Okay,
sir.
so
Thank you, sir.
okay. Thank you so much, Ajay, for joining this session. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay. Yeah.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Good night, sir.
Good night.